Hey guys, Joe Provost with the Pros Real Estate Services. I just wanted to talk to you real quick about our new townhouse development that is getting built in Charlton. James Way Townhomes is going to consist of 16 total townhouse units, which is going to be 7 of the side-by-side duplex units and 2 single-family homes. Conveniently located right at the bottom of Glen Echo Lake, right off of City Depot Road, across from Stevens Park Road. These brand new homes are going to feature 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-car garages. And the builder has made a choice to really make these pretty consistent. There's not going to be a whole lot of upgrades or options that are going to be available, which is going to make it really easy to get these built and put up at a fairly quick pace for those people that are actually looking for homes now. James Way townhouses will feature 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, open floor plan in the first floor, and they will have features like hardwood flooring. In the kitchen, you'll have upgraded counters, granite counters, upgraded cabinets, stainless steel appliances. There will be upgraded carpet in the bedroom. So these will be some nice units when they're done. The duplex units are starting at $379,900, and the single family units are starting at $399,900. We are accepting deposits now on the first phase, which consists of 2 of the townhouse units and 1 of the single family homes. Once those are done, we'll move on to phase 2, which will be an additional 2 townhouse units in the single family, and then phase 3, the final phase, will consist of the remainder of the townhouse units. So obviously we don't have a house that I can give you a quick walkthrough, so I figured I'd take a moment and just really kind of show you what the layout actually looks like via the floor plan. So if you take a look right here, you can see we have the 2-car garage with plenty of storage space in the basement. So if you walk up the stairs over here, you head up into the first floor, you can see you have the formal dining area, you have the kitchen, the open kitchen layout, the bathroom, and then you have the family room, which actually has the deck that leads right out to the backyard. It's a 12 by 10 deck, and both sides are exactly the same. So single family home, the layout's going to be exactly the same as well. So if you do head up the stairs to the second floor, you'll see you have the huge master suite with the master bath and walk-in closets. Then you have the two additional bedrooms with ample closet space, and then obviously the second full bath. So these will be some really great units. So if you have any questions or you want to get some more information, feel free to reach out to Kelly directly, 508-320-3279, or send us a quick email at sales@justcallthepros.com. You can always check out our website. We feature all of our properties, including these particular townhouse units, right on our website, which has all the information that you can need to. So if you got any questions, or you just want to talk about these particular units or anything in particular, we're happy to chat. Feel free to give us a call. Talk to you soon.